Option contracts give their holders or buyers the right, not the obligation, to buy or sell the underlying asset at a predetermined price and time in the future. The price at which an option is exercised is known as the strike or exercise price. The price of an option is called the option premium. There are two types of options: call options, which give the holder the right but not the obligation to buy, and put options, which give the holder the right to sell the underlying. Moreover, European-style options can be exercised only at maturity, while American-style options can be exercised on or before the maturity date. When are options exercised? Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose that a trader just bought a call option on a stock with a strike price of $50 and a premium of $3. The trader will exercise the option if the market price increases beyond the strike price. For instance, if the market price is $60, the trader will exercise the call option and pay $50 for the stock. Then sell it at $60. However, if the market price is $40, the trader will let the option expire. The buyer has to pay the premium to the option seller whether he exercises or not. What if the option was a put option? Well, this case is the opposite case. The trader will exercise the put option when the market price goes below the strike price and will let the option expire when the market price increases beyond the strike price. Find the full Introduction to Contracts video on www.cognivisio.com.